Hello everyone. Welcome to the Blockchain News Club. I am excited to bring you the latest updates from the XRP world. Millions of dollars flowing into XRP despite $9.7 million in cash flowing out of digital asset investment products last week. The whales are in action. Prepare for the biggest gain in crypto history with XRP. FLR coins have been issued to millions of customers across a number of major exchanges. We also have some updated into Ripple's NFT marketplace Mintable. Before dive right into it, please subscribe to our Blockchain News Club channel. Alright, first up. Rich investors still pessimistic about cryptocurrency, except XRP. Research shows that investors in crypto funds are still pretty pessimistic about the crypto industry as a whole, but not about XRP. A report from CoinShares on Monday said that even though $9.7 million left digital asset investment products last week, $3 million went into XRP. The SEC says that these kinds of products are only available to investors who are accredited. This means that they have a certain amount of income. XRP is the sixth largest digital asset by market capitalization. It was made by the founders of Ripple Labs, a company that makes payments using blockchain technology. Ripple was made so that banks and other financial institutions could move money quickly and for very little cost. But the company has been in a legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission since 2020. The U.S. agency has accused Ripple and two of its co-founders of misleading investors by raising $1.3 billion in unregistered securities offerings since 2013. Ripple denies that its XRP token is a security. The case has been going on for years, but a decision is expected in the first half of this year. We think that as its legal case with the SEC becomes more clear, investors are becoming more positive about XRP, CoinShares said, adding that 9% of assets under management were moved into XRP last week. Ripple wants to set up shop in a country other than the US in November. Stuart Alderity, a lawyer for Ripple, said that the company was operating outside of the United States because of the way regulations were set up there. He also said that the company was looking to get a virtual asset service provider license from the Irish Central Bank. In its report, CoinShares also said that investors were still pulling money out of Bitcoin investments. Last week, $6.5 million left, making it the third week in a row that money left. This shows that people still feel bad about the economy. Instead, investors put $1.2 million into short Bitcoin products, which are bets that the price of Bitcoin will go down. The amount of money flowing into XRP funds now numbers in the millions. Ripple's top executive gives 8 cryptocurrency predictions for 2023, and one of them is surprising. Cindy Young, who is in charge of Ripple's business in Europe, is very optimistic about what the crypto industry might see in 2023. She said that 2022 was a big year for cryptocurrencies, with many highs and many lows. Even though the crypto industry failed last year, Young thinks that more people will use crypto this year. First, institutions might start using blockchain and digital assets more quickly in 2023 if they start pilot projects and keep looking into the technology. Second, Young thinks that the crypto industry will become more consolidated as stronger companies buy smaller ones to fill in gaps in their abilities. Third, there may be a growing trend in 2023 for traditional financial services companies and established companies in other fields to buy cryptocurrency and blockchain companies. Fourth, Ripple's top executive thinks that consumers and policymakers will keep looking into how sustainable crypto and blockchain are. She thinks that blockchains and blockchain-enabled solutions, like the tokenization of carbon credits, will help make the world more sustainable. Fifth, XRPL was the first major blockchain to become carbon neutral, and because it uses consensus instead of proof of work, it uses a lot less energy. Sixth, Young thinks that CBDCs will be ready by 2023 because several countries outside of Europe have already said they will start pilots. Seventh, Ripple has been making progress in this area, especially with its partnership with Bhutan's central bank to test a digital currency for central bank CBDC. Eighth, more institutions will start using stablecoins backed by fiat currency in 2023 as they learn about the bigger benefits of blockchain technology, such as real-time merchant settlement. Young says that this trend will also be driven by the creation of new fiat currencies that are not the USD. Ripple's win in XRP lawsuit against SEC is of crucial importance. With the start of the new year, experts are making new predictions and gaining new insights about the market. They are also looking at the key factors that will affect the growth of Web3 over the next year. Analysts have mostly talked about how the market is going down. Is there a way out? Last year was a mess. Several top assets lost as much as 60% of their value, and there was no sign of things getting better. Bitcoin, the market leader, fell by more than 55% last year and is still below $17,000. On the bright side, inflation is going down, and many experts think stocks and other assets will bounce back, so the bear season may soon be over. The case between the SEC and Ripple has been going on for 2 years, and the final decision would be a big deal for both the SEC and Ripple. From the SEC's point of view, a ruling that XRP as a security could change how the country regulates digital assets. Some people think the case would affect more people if the government went after centralized exchanges like Binance US, Coinbase, and Kraken. A lawyer who specializes in Web3 and digital assets, Lewis Cohen, said that the SEC wants to do everything it can to win its case against XRP. If they got their way, most US token marketplaces would not let users buy and sell crypto securities without registering as an exchange or getting an exemption, he said. If Ripple wins, regulators won't try to treat digital assets like securities, which would be a harsh move. In particular, it will be a turning point for the XRP army, which thinks that the SEC is holding back its favorite asset. As we can see, everything ties up to the Ripple Labs lawsuits against the SEC. Major Ripple partners, such as Bank of America and numerous other financial institutions, are waiting on the sidelines to get going. The XRP community is eagerly waiting for the outcome of the lawsuit. With the influx of millions of dollars, we could sense the lawsuit is about to come to an end and we can expect a sharp increase in the price of XRP. FLR coins have been issued to millions of customers across a number of major exchanges. For every 1 XRP in the snapshot taken in December 2020, 1.0073 FLR will be airdropped. The first 15% of this amount was distributed via airdrop. The remaining 85% of the tokens will be paid out in 36 monthly installments. The method of distribution depends on the outcome of the community vote on the FLR Improvement Proposal 01. A press release says that 15% of all FLR tokens will be given away through the initial airdrop. It happened on January 9 at 23:59 UTC. After the FLR airdrop to exchanges was done, more than 52 crypto exchanges took part in the distribution of FLR tokens. FLR Network is a platform for smart contracts that is not centralized and uses a new programming language called FLR. It is made to work with the Ethereum virtual machine, so it can run smart contracts that use Ethereum. The FLR token is meant to be used as a way to buy and sell things on the FLR network and to store value. It is also used to give people rewards for helping the network, like validating transactions. FLR Network is a different platform from XRP, but it is connected to it in a close way. The FLR token is made to work on the FLR network. XRP, on the other hand, is a cryptocurrency that works on the XRP ledger. But FLR has said that it will support XRP as a first-class citizen on its platform. This means that XRP can be used in the FLR network in the same way as the FLR token. This includes the ability to be used as a means of exchange and a way to store value, as well as the ability to be used in smart contracts and other dApps built on the FLR network. But there is also some bad news. On Bitrue, the FLR/USDT trading pair is being dumped by around 71% right before the launch. Before Poloniex, the exchange was the only place where FLR could be traded as an IOU. The FLR/USDT pair on Bittrex has dropped a lot in the last 2 days, as the one-day chart from TradingView shows. Yesterday, the token was worth $0.5394. Today, it fell as low as $0.1559, but as of press time, it was back up to $0.2395. Even so, the FLR token is still down about 55% from where it was 2 days ago. Today we will take a look at what's happening in the Ripple's NFT marketplace Mintable. Mintable is a marketplace with a focus on utility, and every feature is made to improve the experience of trading NFTs. Our team was the first to make NFTs without using gas, in groups, and with credit cards. In 2021, Mintable announced that it had backing from a number of high-quality investors, such as Mark Cuban, a well-known venture capitalist and TV personality, Sound Ventures, a venture capital firm started by Ashton Kutcher and Guy Oseary, and Time Ventures, Mark Benioff's investment fund. Users will now be able to easily and securely buy, sell, and mint NFTs on the XRPL. Our partnership with Ripple, the leader in enterprise blockchain and crypto solutions, will bring together creators and developers to make it possible for high-quality NFT projects to be made and give independent creators on the XRPL a way to make projects without having to write any code. Latest collaboration between Mintable and MoonPay to speed up NFT implementation on Immutable X. MoonPay, a leader in Web3 financial technology, has partnered with Mintable, a leading NFT marketplace. The group has come together to speed up the widespread use of NFTs in the IMX ecosystem. The joint effort between the two businesses will enable innovative onboarding solutions to be built on the Mintable platform, with the goal of boosting widespread adoption of NFTs. This will make navigating the IMX environment simpler for both newcomers and seasoned pros. Furthermore, this will occur because of MoonPay, which allows anybody to buy NFTs by providing fiat on ramps. In the background, it has handled transactions totaling over $3 billion from over 160 different nations. Moreover, fans of digital assets should anticipate a fresh NFT experience packed with usefulness, including various services. Mintable's goal is to make NFTs a regular part of people's lives, and this project is a step in that direction. Mintable's Chief Marketing Officer, Patrick Chin, described the partnership with MoonPay as the initial few steps toward making NFT better for everyone. Immutablex is a frontrunner in the NFT trading space and a key component of Ethereum's Layer 2 scaling solution. In addition to facilitating the trading of NFTs on Ethereum and the scalability of Web3 games, the platform has become a popular NFT minting hub. The platform has become the go-to for successful Web3 games because to the inclusion of Immutablex. Among the many titles in this category are Guild of Guardians, Illuvium, Embersword, and Planet Quest. Mintable's mission is to reimagine the NFT experience so that NFTs become a part of daily life. The XRPL is integral for the adoption and scaling of NFTs on marketplaces. It is a battle-tested and highly secure blockchain that addresses NFT adoption barriers related to security and sustainability concerns. By adopting one of the first major blockchains to be certified carbon neutral, our integration with the XRPL addresses one of the most significant barriers: environmental impact. Another significant barrier for NFT creators and collectors is gas fees on major L2 blockchains. As a comparison, transactions on the XRPL take just 3 to 5 seconds to process and cost just a fraction of a cent, so cost-effective that it's virtually free. The XRPL's low fees and high throughput provide users, creators, and developers with a more sustainable and scalable alternative blockchain for NFTs. Looking at the widespread adoption of XRPs and integration of XRPL into Mintable, we can expect quite a lot of projects going live on the XRPL ledger. Because it is good for the environment, billions of NFTs can be made, bought, and moved on the XRPL in a sustainable way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for regular updates in the blockchain community.